In this roofing quick tip, we're going to go over the cost of a sun tunnel as a follow-up to our video on the cost over a skylight. So let's go ahead and get into it. There are several factors that come into play that affect the cost of a sun tunnel installation, and they're very similar to the same things that affect the cost of a skylight, like the complexity of the roof, how many stories it is, what type of materials are on the roof, whether it be shingles, metal, slate, cedar shake, and also the age of the materials and the difficulty of tying the materials around your new sun tunnel into the existing roof. The difficulty in tying into an existing roof goes in this order. Tying into a shingle roof is actually going to be the easiest. A metal roof is going to be the next hardest. Then you've got tying into a cedar shake roof or a slate roof, which is a triple pain in the. So a basic install, they're going to start at around $1,200, and then they're going to go up from there depending on the difficulty, complexity, and the type of materials that's on your roof now. If you want to take a deeper dive into sun tunnels and skylights, click on our link below to a video about skylights and sun tunnels. I'm Bill Ragan. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.